Hey y'all, and welcome to today's video. Today's video I am unboxing another big package from Temu. All of the links will be in my description box down below. If you click on the code that is in my description box down below, you get 30% off of your first order. With that being said, here is my package. So I ordered this about a week and a half ago. Shipping does not take long. It's actually pretty quicker than you think. The moment that you order it is like the moment that you forget about it, and then it's at your doorstep. So here's my package. It's in this big, it is a little thick, a little heavy. So here it is. Let's unbox it. So today I thought it'd be better for me to bring the scissors over so that I can get this started. I'm just gonna go through these really quickly. If you like them, the links are in my description box down below. Got some cheetah sandals, the strap, and then just like the piece in the back to keep the sandals attached to your feet. Have this tan pair of sandals, same style. Like I said, they're just tan and they look exactly like this. The thing I have in here, oh okay, I have a hat. So this hat says Mimi, and it just has like some protective shield underneath just to keep it from like bending. So Mimi. Alright, so we got some Minecraft sleep clothes. I bought these for Cam to wear on vacation. Next, I do have plenty of teacher t-shirts and I'm honestly tired of wearing them all, but this one says teachers is a work of heart. Next I have, this could be a shirt, this could be a dress. It just says sun, salt, sand. Alright, next I got this orange shirt. It just says, I match energy, so how we gonna act today? Also down in here, I have, alright, so I have a shirt that matches my favorite TV show right now, and I am anticipating season 4 of this. So I got the Outer Banks t-shirt. Alright, so next one is just a shirt, or I guess it could be as a dress. It is kind of short, but it's kind of long. So it has the drawstring in the front, no sleeves, and just some pretty colors together. So when I was shopping, I just picked out some random teacher shirts. These are teacher shirts that I can wear for the rest of the year because I am tired of wearing like the same old ones from the teacher's crate. So I did get me a new one. And this one just said, in this classroom is where I spend most of my days. So it's supposed to be kind of similar to like Fresh Prince, where he was like, on the playground is where I spend most of my days, chilling out, hanging out. We're like, yeah, y'all get it. But I also picked Cam out this pair of pajamas for vacation. A shirt that says eat, sleep, game, and repeat. And it comes along with these pajama pants right here. Alright, so next I got myself a pair of pajamas again. This is the shirt. The shorts are the same way. So I got the blue cheetah print right here. Alright, next I got a polka dot shirt. Okay, so y'all barely see me wearing hats, and that's because I'm not really a hat person, right? But I do wear hats on vacation because the heat is treacherous. So I went and bought myself a hat right along with my mom a hat. So hers says Mimi, mine says Mama. Alright, so I have a SD card that I got off of Temu. I just wanted to see what was the difference with, like, let's just say getting one of these and then buying ones out of like Target, Walmart, you know, and off of Amazon. Like I said, I went and bought a bunch of teacher shirts that I just really wanted to have, and so I bought this one where it says teachers plant seeds that grow forever. So with it being spring, I thought that this would be a really cute shirt to have, especially like with the color. I've told you guys before, if you're new to my channel, our theme for our school colors is like a navy blue and yellow, but like kind of like a gold, so kind of like this color more than this color. All right, so I did get Sky nightgown some cupcakes on it. So this is like something that she can just easily wear to bed. Alright, so next teacher shirt that I ordered is Y'all Gonna Learn Today. So I hope that, you know, hope that it lasts. I got it in red. Alright, so I also got Scott a 2-pack of nightgown dresses. This one has just like some cute little dinosaurs on it. It's just something that I thought that she could wear to bed. And especially since it was a 2-pack for the price it was, why not? Next I have the black pair of flip-flops that hold in the back as well. And it has that crisscross part like I said, and your feet go through it in the front. Alright, so next I got another shirt. This one says I match energy. So how we gonna act today? So I got, it's just a different design than the orange one that I got. So this one's just in white. Next I got a clear bag. It's like this, and here's the handles right here. I can even put a drink on the side if I wanted to. I can also zip this up, and I can also do it as like a shoulder bag. So this is something that I could use. This is something that I could use at the beach if I wanted to. I could also use it if I go to like games and stuff. And there's also a pocket for the front that zips as well. So this is actually really great to have. Alright, so we got some yellow water shoes for myself. These are actually really nice if you ask me, because they do have, like, they're not thin on the bottom, and the fact that they're going to fit around your foot like this is good. I do have some bathing suits that have yellow in them as well as orange, and then I do have a black pair in the room and a cheetah pair, so I don't really need too much. So next I have just like another pajama set for Cam. Game type of shirt if you ask me, and then of course you see like the shorts are matching, so that's a plus. Alright, so with that polka dot shirt, I have a long sleeve polka dot shirt that I wanted to order. I will just hang this up and save this for the fall. It is, like I said, the same as the other one. It's just that this one has like the scrunchie at the wrist. Alright, so next I have another shirt. This one says Fry Yay, as we always talk to the kids about Fry Yay instead of Friday. We make Friday so exciting that we turned it into Fry Yay. It's another pajama set for Cam. And on vacation in July, I wanted to make sure that we had everything, especially like at a good price, because we can easily come home and reuse these things at home and not just use them on vacation. So here is the pajamas. It's just a game controller set with the shirt and shorts. So I hope that you all enjoyed watching me unbox and show you all everything that I got from Temu in my package today. Alright, so there is one more package that will come, and it is only 4 items, and those 4 items I will just share in another video with whatever weekly thing I have going on, because it's just cover-ups for myself, and then another pair of swimming trunks for Chuck. So I hope that you all give this video a huge thumbs up. I hope that you all check out the links that are in my description box down below, and I hope that you all consider hitting the subscription button down below, as I have plenty more videos to